Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy Buds 4 and Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, its latest premium true wireless earbuds, alongside the Galaxy S26 series. The new lineup focuses on improved audio hardware, adaptive sound processing, AI integration, and refined ergonomics. Pre-orders begin today in select markets, with general availability scheduled for March 11th. Both the Galaxy Buds 4 and Galaxy Buds 4 Pro include several built-in technologies such as enhanced adaptive active noise cancellation, ANC, adaptive equalizer, EQ, super clear call technology, 24-bit hi-fi audio support, and Galaxy AI Assistant integration. These features are designed to automatically adjust sound output, reduce background noise, and improve communication clarity depending on the user's environment and fit. The Galaxy Buds 4 series introduces a new blade design developed using computational modeling based on hundreds of millions of ear data points and more than 10,000 simulations. The earbuds feature smaller heads and a stabilized blade with a metal finish and engraved pinch control area for easier interaction. A transparent clamshell charging case highlights the design, while simplifying storage and charging. Samsung offers two fit styles across the lineup. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro uses a canal-fit design intended to maximize sound isolation and functionality, while the Galaxy Buds 4 uses an open-fit design focused on comfort for everyday wear. Both models are available in black and white, with an additional online exclusive pink gold option for the Pro version. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro include upgraded audio hardware with a wider woofer that increases the effective vibration area by nearly 20% compared to the previous generation. Combined with a tweeter, the two-way speaker system supports 24-bit/96 kHz high-resolution audio, which allows more detailed bass and clearer treble reproduction. The speaker placement also helps improve noise cancellation performance while reducing wind interference. The earbuds include enhanced adaptive ANC technology, which analyzes surrounding noise and wearing conditions in real time and automatically adjusts noise reduction levels. The adaptive EQ system evaluates how the earbuds sit in the user's ears and dynamically tunes frequencies to deliver more accurate sound tailored to the listener. Both models also include super clear call technology. This feature uses super wideband Bluetooth processing and machine learning-based noise reduction to separate the user's voice from background noise, helping maintain clearer conversations even in busy environments. The earbuds integrate with the Galaxy ecosystem and support AI assistants such as Bixby, Google Gemini, and Perplexity. Users can activate these assistants using voice commands or hands-free controls. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro additionally support head gesture controls for managing calls and assistant interactions. Pairing is simplified through automatic device detection when the charging case is open near a compatible Galaxy device, with controls accessible through the Quick Panel interface. The Galaxy Buds 4 feature an 11mm speaker, 3 microphones, Bluetooth 6.1 connectivity, Auracast support, and IP54 water resistance. Battery capacity is 45 mAh per earbud with a 515 mAh charging case, delivering up to 5 hours of playback with ANC enabled and up to 24 hours total with the case. With ANC disabled, playback increases to 6 hours per charge and up to 30 hours total. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro include a two-way driver system, higher battery capacity at 61 mAh per earbud, and IP57 water resistance. Playback reaches up to 6 hours with ANC enabled and 26 hours total, or up to 7 hours per charge and 30 hours total with ANC disabled. Both models support Android 12 or newer devices with at least 1.5 GB RAM. The Galaxy Buds 4 are available in black and white, and can be pre-ordered starting today for €179/$179.99/ £159/ Indian rupee 16,999, ahead of their release on March 6. Pre-orders for the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro also began on February 25, 2026, in select markets, priced at $249/ Indian rupee 22,999. Samsung plans to begin shipping early orders for both models on March 6.